myself, Principal SKG Sr Sec School, Bhankli. Viewers, education is a journey from unknown to known. Let's start our journey with the best school. Our school gains its growth and popularity under the supervision of its founder and visionary chairman Sri Rai Singh Ji and director Sri Shyam Singh Ji. Our school tries to make every child a promising student and ideal citizen of India. Our aim is not to make the students mere container of knowledge, but to make them able to turn their knowledge into ideas and informations. The school is situated in a peaceful and eco-class building. It follows all the norms in the matter of safety, sanitary and size. In applying new education policy, our school focuses on skill development. It believes that passive knowledge is no better than ignorance. Its motto is transform the concept into concrete.
Hello viewers, this is Neeraj Japtar, Head of Primary Wing. To keep pace with the advancement of new education system, we are using the proper use of teaching aids. For this, our school management has adopted Eduvate curriculum to enhance the students' learning and writing ability. Thank you.
The school has a very distinct scientific approach in science teaching. It not only helps the students to gain knowledge but help them to convert the knowledge into the ideas.